Eat this Willow. Willow.
Willow!
Get him, Willow. Get him. Get him. Get him. Get him, Willow. Oh, she's got itch. Get him, Willow. Get him. Get him, Willow. What are you doing? Hi, Mom. Willow. Willow. Go get him. Okay. Ready, set, weenie bite! Wrong way! Okay. Oh. Puppy! Come back!
Oh. No, no, big talk.
Come on. Get him, Willow. What are you doing? What? Hi! Oh my goodness, you decided to see me? I didn't go anywhere. Get him, Willow. Get him. Get him. Bloom. Good girl, Tessa. She was just sitting there like, what?
That's it.
Get him. Get him, Willow. Get him. She's kicking her feet like a maniac.
Oh.
Get it. Oh, hi, Tessa. Come out of the dark cave of nothingness.
Throw it up for a minute. So I can push the kitchen in. You're ruining the house too. I'll let it because you're...
It slides out like hardcore.
Maybe my son pulled her arms and hands for you that damn pillow. Sorry.
Back to the puppies.
Oh,
And that'd be cute. Tuck, tuck, and roll! Tuck, tuck, and roll! Hi!
oh, you later.
Hi, Willow! Hi, Willow! Willow!
Oh, there they are.
She ran, okay, she tucked, ducked, and rolled off the couch, then tripped, and then ran in a circle, then ran over to me.
Did you get it on video?
Yes,
Oh,
it's still recording. Oh, touch the butt! Good girl! Oh, she loves me. I love you too. You want a beautiful close-up? A beautiful close-up. Gonna.
You're like, what?
Smells like that were me. Fart machine. I don't know, do you? Worst thing to do with that is if you said, do I smell popcorn? And somebody was actually cooking popcorn and your fart got like completely ignored. Oh, she got itch.
That's cute.
Willow, do I smell popcorn? Hi, Squirt. What's wrong, honey?
Oh, I see.
Pull my finger out. That's Abby. I got Squirty up here.
Push it.
Bye, Abby Dooders. Hello, Willow. Hello, Willow. Hello, Willow. Hello, Willow. Ah! Ah, Willow, it hurts.
like.
I had one, but it broke. Well, I mean, like, the battery died. What?
What?
Not? Herb is herb. She's like, what? Willow! No! Oh,
That's not going to teach the dog.
have a bigger dog squish him? Little Weiner's getting involved! Oh. So like what?
She can't get you no more.
Get her, Gunner! Get her, Gunner! Good girl, Square. Hi, Square. You're gonna. Get her, Willow! Get her! Get her, Willow! Get her, Willow, Willow, Willow! Oh, oh, oh! Oh! Here, you're in your sanctuary solitude! Willow, your ears broke! Willow, is that you? Can you not?
That was her.
Oh, Willow. Freddy's in his face and sound. What? Smell popcorn. Hi, Willow. Hi, baby. You can't eat my camera. No, you can't.
Doggy.
Ah! Ah! I have 2 wieners in the lab.
This toy.
Get her! She's numbing on it.
No.
You're like, what?
Yeah, it's gross, isn't it?
She's too young. Get him, Willow. Get him. Oh, Tessa, you look so pretty with your ears pierced. With baby toys.
Get it! Get it, Tessa, get it!
It's still all down here! She reminds me of a gypsy with those big old earrings.
Get it, Tessa, get it! Whoa, what's that one? What?
I got Squiddy's hot spot. Woo!
She's like, oh, no, you don't. No.
Hi, Gunner. Hi, Gunner. Where's Mama Dog? And Abby.
Hi. Get it! She's like, what?
She's like, I don't even think she realizes it's there.
Not yet. She will, though.
I can zoom in.
Where is it? Wait, Gunner.
She's like, no, I want this car. No. Come here, Willow. Willow.
What about you? What do you do? What do you do? By the ear. We gotta get away. Some people would say this is cruel. It's not tight enough to hurt them, so it is not hurting.
You didn't realize it's down. Look at him go. Gunner. no.
Here, I'll take it off.
Hi, are you jealous? Every time I call your brother, you come.
Oh, there it goes.
Dude, that's my mama. That's my mama. No one else is mama. Hello. Hello.
I want to put something on her collar so she's like, I wonder.
Get squirt. Get squirt.
Oh, God, not the flashlight.
Get squirt. Oh my God, her little tail is just going. Look at it. So cute. Get squirty. Get it. She's like, I feel like a pumpkin.
We need the red dot one, which is the laser light.
Which is dead, right?
I know.
Gone.
Hit it on me.
Oh, no.
You know I'm the one that bought it. Maybe I have
Oh, it does zoom in more. Just little itty bitty bits at a time. Hi, Willow! Ah! Okay, this is going on for 12 minutes. We'll start a new